So I want to save time when creating similar pages on your Hostinger website. In this video, I'll show you how to easily duplicate a page in just few clicks. So what you're gonna have to do is just to click on here, pages and navigation. And then if you want to duplicate a page, let's say I would like to duplicate home page. I can click on here on this icon right over here. Then here you have duplicate. Now just select duplicate and you created a copy. You can also see it was named home and then copy. Now, if you want to delete this copy you just created, just click on this icon right over here and select delete. Okay. Now I have here some pages, drag the drop down. So I'm going to remove them. You can also click on here and move out of the drop down. And now we don't have the drop down on here. That's what we want. So I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more tutorials. Take care.